Good morning, students. Today we will be continuing about tenses. Today we will be studying the uses of the future tense. Let us begin with the uses of the simple future tense. Simple future tense is used to describe events that will take place in the future. For example, they will perform a skit on annual day. I shall see you next month. So you can see both these actions will take place not now but sometime in the future. The simple future tense is also used to show hope or to show some expectation. For example, we think we will succeed in our plan. So it is their expectation that they will be successful. I hope she will get the job soon. It is her hope. It is my hope that she will get the job. So if there is something that we have some hope for, that we expect to happen in the future, we use the simple future tense to describe it. Then next are the uses of the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to show an action that will be going on at a given time in the future. So we will mention a particular time in future, and at that time what action will be going on, it is described in the future continuous tense. For example, I will be traveling to Delhi tomorrow. So here the time is tomorrow, and what action will be going on tomorrow, that I will be traveling to Delhi. Another example, the guests will be arriving after 5 p.m. So the time is given here in the future, after 5 p.m. And what action will be going on after 5 p.m.? The guests will be arriving. Another use of the future continuous tense is to show some arrangements or some plans that are made. For example, we will be reaching Lucknow on Monday. So they had some travel arrangements, some travel plans. According to that plan, they will reach Lucknow on Monday. Or another example, they will be spending the summer vacation in Shimla. So they have already made some plan about summer vacations, and that will be spending their time in Shimla. So if there is any plan for the future, any arrangement for the future, we use the future continuous tense to show it. Next is the use of the future perfect tense. The future perfect tense is used to show an action that will have ended at a given time. So we talk about a time in the future, and by that time some action would have ended. For example, Mr. Sharma will have retired by the year 2022. Means by the time 2022, Mr. Sharma will have retired. His retirement will be done. Another example, we will have cleaned the house by evening. The cleaning would be finished, will have been finished by that time. What is the time? The evening. Next is the use of the future perfect continuous tense. It is used to show an action that will have been going on for some time when we give a particular time in the future. For example, by 2021, Khushi will have been studying in this school for 10 years. So we have given a time 2021. At that time, some action will already be going on, and this action started some time ago, and it will be going on at that time in the future also. For example, here Khushi began studying in this school some years ago, and by 2021 she will have completed 10 years. That is, by 2021 also that work will be continuing. Another example, Chandru will have been waiting for 2 hours when we reach him. So Chandru started waiting for them some time ago, and it will be continuing after 2 hours also, and that is when they will reach him. So an action that began some time ago and that will be continuing at a given time in the future. To denote such actions, we use the future perfect continuous tense. That is the end of this topic. We will continue afterwards, and I will be uploading the answers from Sunday onwards, the answers of poetry, so you can download and complete your work.